light howitzer in eastern sector. Protest rally carried out against re-engagement of retired government official. And Chinese President Jinping likely to visit India. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today and I'm JESSIA OINAM giving you the news in details. The Indian Army is preparing to deploy its new M777 ultra-light howitzer in eastern Arunachal Pradesh for accurate artillery fire support in the mountainous terrain that could prove to be the game changer in the sector to officers familiar with Move Tool HT. The 155 mm 39 caliber howitzer, which can be sling-loaded to helicopters and swiftly deployed to high-altitude areas, are likely to be inducted by the year-end. India ordered 145 howitzer from the United States for $750 million in November 2016. The M777s will be a game changer in the eastern sector, according to media reports. The highly portable guns can be swiftly deployed and redeployed for missions using the Boeing CH-47F Chinook helicopters. The howitzers will be part of light artillery regiments, the second officer said. The howitzer have a range of 24 to 30 kilometers. A protest rally was staged at Langol Laimanai today against service extension of G. Robindro Sharma as ODS in the Water Resources Department. The rally was organized by Jailyarong Human Rights Protection Forum and village chief of Maphodam, affected area in Imphal East, Lomilo. The demonstrator demanded immediate withdrawal of the cabinet decision to re-engage Sharma. President of Jailyarong Human Rights Protection Forum, Robert Gonmei, condemned the move of the Manipur government, re-engaging Sharma, a retired employee. He said that defying the court order by the state government is quite unfortunate. Robert threatened that if the government continues to disobey the court's order, the forum will approach the Prime Minister and Home Minister for necessary action.
Agitation si G. Robindro Sharma government Manipur government sina engineer in chief bana maming tholaga amuk hanjin hapsim se asi mahak lokthok tripau se mathang democratic form of agitation akan ba se akoina khongjang se chathakini.
5 days to go for Chinese President Jinping likely to visit India for an informal summit with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There is no official confirmation from Beijing on it, a media report said. The two leaders are expected to meet in Mamallapuram near Chennai on October 11 to 12. Sources say the next 24 to 48 hours are key to the announcement of the visit, stressing that the two sides have a very robust diplomatic communication in place. The announcement, sources said, would be done in coordination with each other once the confirmation comes through. New Delhi has made preparations in Mamallapuram to receive Jinping, including sprucing up the temples around the town. As per the proposed schedule, Jinping would arrive in Chennai on October 11 and leave the next day. The week-long state-level grand finale of the 64 Wildlife Week Celebration 2019, organized by Forest Department, Government of Manipur, concluded at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium, Palace Compound today. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan Singh and Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam, Additional Chief Secretary Suhail Akhtar, DGP of Manipur Police LM Khaute, and Principal Chief Conservator of Forests K. Angami attended the event. Manipur Architecture Forum today organized a painting competition at Singjamai Community Hall, Imphal West, on the theme Architecture Housing for All as part of the World Architecture Day 2019. The competition was held under two categories. Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next is film from Northeast India selected for screening at the 50th International Film Festival of India IFFI 2019.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km/h. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India FAME 2 certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangi Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur, or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87877-23780.
Welcome back after the break. 3 films from Northeast India have been selected for screening at the 50th International Film Festival of India IFFI 2019 to be held from November 20 to 28 in Goa. Close to 250 films from various countries will be screened at the premiere movie Extravaganza. Award-winning Assamese filmmaker Manju Bora in the land of Poison Woman met in Pangchenpa language of Arunachal Pradesh has featured in the list. According to media reports, Bahubrita, a poetry film of Assam's filmmaker Utpal Datta, has also been selected to be screened at the IFFI 2019 in the non-feature film section. Another filmmaker from the Northeast, Pradeep Kurbha Liudu, made in Khasi language, has also been in the official selection list of the film festival. The NSCN-IM has dismissed a report by the National News Agency regarding purported clashes between NSCN-IM and JESSIA as mischievous act by Indian security agencies. The news report titled "Clashes between NSCN-IM and JESSIA Concern Center" was carried by a local media on October 6. The NSCN-IM Ministry of Publicity, reacting to the news, issued a press release on October 6, terming it as mischievous, an act of irresponsibility exercised by Indian security agencies, giving a wrong picture of the ground reality in Nagaland, according to media reports. The 476-year-old Purani Tangal Habigaon Savajanik Durga Shiva Mandir in Assam, Udalguri, marked the Ashtami day of Durga Puja with sacrifice of he-goats and buffaloes. Located on the outskirts of Tangal town in Udalguri district, the temple has been following the age-old ritual of sacrificing animals since its inception. Hundreds of devotees and visitors throng the mandir premises every year to witness the ritual of animal sacrifice, a unique temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and Goddess Durga. People visit it with great reverence from the prevailing myths and legends, especially on the day of Maha Ashtami. The enthusiasm and devotions of the believers is evident as 10 water buffaloes and more than 600 he-goats and uncountable numbers of pigeons and ducks were brought for sacrificial offerings to Goddess Durga by devotees from various parts of Assam. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Lakadoriba Ningol Chakobada set in Nabagi quality lairaba Ohoma Mamalda Pinabagi the Maxim Saduna lairaba Nagamapal Imakaitel opposite ki first floor the labor Showers Boutique Showroom Inaki Oiba Apama Makalgi Firol Suna Pangadaba Showroom Loinana Christian Singi wedding the season aba wedding gown to Mapamasida Pangbigan
Nupika Taginatana Angang Singamadi Janeski pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkul faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangam mafam yam nuayo paw mana mafam masida adom adom gi apam design kuding makki order slogzari amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur nagamapa ima kaithel gi opposite gi fast food leriba service boutique
Red Sopa, an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdam gi oiba chanaba potlam sing online da Red Sopa gi khuthang da line phangpigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matam da delivery gi khudong chaba su phangpigani. Delhi gi oina di iramdam gi oiba mana masing sing su phangpigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudong chaba su pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back after the break. The Supreme Court today restrained authorities from cutting any more trees in Mumbai area to set up a metro car shed. A special bench comprising Justices Arun Mishra and Ashok Bhushan said it will have to examine the entire thing and posted the matter for October 21st before its forest bench. The felling of trees is being opposed by green activists and local residents. The Apex Court decided yesterday to register as PIL a letter addressed to Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi by law student Rishabh Ranjan seeking a stay on the cutting of trees. The meeting between Afghan Taliban and US Special Representative for Afghanistan Reconciliation Jalami Khalifzad in Islamabad finally showed result after a prisoner swap agreement was compiled with the release of at least 3 Indian engineers under Taliban custody since 2018. The Afghan Taliban have confirmed that it has freed at least 3 Indian hostages in exchange for the release of at least 11 Taliban members, including important leaders. The freed Afghan Taliban includes prominent leader Sheikh Abdul Rahim and Maulvi Abdul Rashid. Both these Taliban leaders have served as governors of Kunar and Nimzor provinces during the Taliban administration before the US-led intervention in 2001. The prisoner swap was done in the early hours yesterday at an undisclosed location, say media reports. India's rising tennis sensation Samit Nagal, who reached the semi-finals of the ATP Challenger Champions, has moved up by 6 places to the 129th spot in the latest men's single rankings. Last week, Nagal failed to reach the final of ATP Challenger Champions in Brazil as he lost in straight sets to Argentina's 325th ranked Joan Fickovic. He did not look in his elements right from the start as he lost to match 4-6, 1-6, which eventually turned out to be a one-sided contest on Saturday. Before that, the 22-year-old had achieved his career best ranking of 135 after clinching the men's single title at the Buenos Aires ATP Challengers Clay event. Nagal had made a jump of 26 places after to settle his second challenger title in Argentina. The Haryana lad had grabbed headlines after he made his Grand Slam debut in August and produced a spirited fight against Swiss maestro Roger Federer in the first round of the US Open. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. After Mizoram Chief Minister's floodgate warning, Amit Shah assures tweak in CAB to stop outsiders. Take all groups on board for final solution, says NPF to RN Rabi. MLA keeps strict eye on voters list at Tangmiban. The People's Chronicle. CAB clause to protect notice from infiltrators, says Saha. Building bylaws bar house above 7 stories. GPRN dubs clashes report mischievous. Gaikhangam despises parties spewing venom in society. Imphal Free Press. Government to crack down on building bylaws violators. Gandhi's philosophy will remain universal, says Gaikhangam. Yet again, Manipuri film fails to make the cut in IFFI 2019. The Morning Bell. Clashes between Northeast groups concerned Centre. Central observers to arrive in Imphal soon. BJP factions confident of positive solution. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev raises Northeast issue with Bangladesh Prime Minister. Manipur rich in culture despite its small size, says Surya Kumar. AMSU seeks government attention on Kakching District Hospital unresolved boundary.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Indian Army to begin deploying light howitzer in eastern sector. Protest rally carried out against re-engagement of retired government official. And Chinese President Jinping likely to visit India. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.